Welcome to Must Read, where we summarize powerful books in minutes. Today, Atomic Habits by James Clear, the ultimate guide to building better habits. Let's go. About the book. First, some book info, published in 2018 by James Clear. Clear is also the author of the blog James Clear, Calm, which I highly recommend you check out. In this book, Clear explains how small habits create big results. We all know that habits play a massive role in our lives, but most advice out there oversimplifies things. Clear, however, cuts through the noise by backing his advice with science, psychology, and real-life stories. This isn't just another self-help book, it's the closest thing to a manual for building good habits and breaking bad ones. With that said, let's look at some key ideas. Key idea number 1, 1% better every day. If 1% improvement is all you can expect from yourself, then that's what you'll get. And yes, it's true that small changes can have a huge impact over time, but many people think they need a big win immediately or else it's not worth their time. Don't make this mistake, just focus on doing a little bit better every day and trust the process. Key idea number 2, identity goals. Goal setting is pointless if you don't have the right identity. You could set a goal to become healthier or wealthier, but without the right habits, these will remain just that, goals. Instead, focus on building the right identity first. To do this, ask yourself, who do I want to be? Not what do I want to achieve. Once you've figured out the type of person you want to be, everything else will follow naturally. For example, if you want to be a reader, you won't say, I want to read more. You will say, I am a reader. Key idea number 3, the habit loop. Every habit follows this basic loop: cue, craving, response, reward. A cue is a trigger that tells your brain to initiate the habit. Next is the craving, which is the motivation or desire to complete the habit. Then comes the response, which is the action you take to satisfy the craving. Finally, there's the reward, which is the benefit or pleasure you receive after completing the habit. When you understand how this loop works, you'll be able to control your behavior much easier. Key idea number 4, make it obvious. Make good habits obvious and bad habits invisible. Your environment plays a massive role in what you do, so use that to your advantage. For example, let's say you want to build a habit of going to the gym. You should put your workout clothes somewhere where you can see them, out of sight, out of mind. Key idea number 5, make it easy. Lower friction. Make it so easy that there's no excuse to not do it. When starting out, break down the habit into smaller chunks. If you want to start reading more, don't tell yourself, I'm gonna read 20 pages today. Tell yourself, I'm gonna read 1 page today. It's all about taking action. Even if you only do 1 push-up or read 1 page, that's still progress, as long as you're consistent. You'll eventually reach your goal. Key idea number 6, make it attractive and satisfying. Combine the habit with something that you enjoy. This is also known as habit stacking. For example, you could listen to an audiobook while driving, which makes both tasks more enjoyable. Another effective method to stay motivated is to track your progress. By tracking your progress, you'll be able to see how far you have come, and this will keep you motivated to continue. Before we move on, here's a quick recap of everything we've covered. 1% better, identity first, habit loop, obvious, easy, attractive, satisfying. Remember, systems matter more than goals. If you focus on the input, the output will take care of itself. Final takeaway. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Don't get caught up in the dream. Focus on the daily actions. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this summary of Atomic Habits. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe for more summaries. Thanks for watching. See you next time.